So this was a earlier version, again, a couple years ago. This was what it was. In this particular version, I was going to try to make the groove in the flange equal to the width of the web. But that gets to be tricky because then you have to really work the web to get it down to exact size. So you're going to see later I changed this. The method of doing that makes it much simpler, and it takes less tooling, less bit size, and everything else. So, but this also just gives you an indication of stuff you can do, which is here, this was some sort of ash or something like that. It might, in fact, it might even been pine. Again, this is a prototype, right? So I just took a piece of something, whatever it was, cedar or pine, and then I did a glue up where I glued the black walnut on each side. Again, to me, a great way to save a ton of money on trying to make an entire project out of really expensive species, black walnut and some of the other stuff that's out there, cherry, whatever. The flange on this one is not as wide. I think I'm going to say that's about 2.5. And then you're going to see later that I decided, for the most part, the standard anyhow is going to be 3. And then we go from there. I do have a 5-hole threaded tenon on this one. Again, that's one of those patented items. And so there you go. That's, again, a previous version.